This video will show you how to make, cancel, and reschedule an appointment for the placement test on the Southern Wake campus. You will click in the URL box and type testingcenter.waketech.edu. On the Testing Center website, you will see a link for Make an Appointment. Click Make an Appointment. Scroll down to the section for Southern Wake campus and click the button for Southern Wake. Now you will click the button for Reserve My Space. Complete the form starting with your first name, last name, email address. Please make sure to use an email address that you check on a daily basis. Telephone number. Please make sure to use a telephone number where you can be reached. Now we have, is English your primary language? You will select yes or no. Provide your date of birth and select the date that you would like to come to the college to take the placement test. If your desired date is not available, please note the dates are listed 2 to 3 weeks out at a time. If you do not see your desired dates at this time, please check back at a later time. Once you see your desired date and time, please select. Now verify the information on the form is accurate and click the button for register. After you click the button for register, you will receive your confirmation page. Here is your confirmation number, the date that you will come to the college to take the test, along with the time, the location of your placement test. Also, some things to remember. Please make sure you pick up a placement test ticket from the International Student Office before you take your placement test. Also, you would need a photo ID. You must take your passport with you when you go to the college to take the placement test. Print this page for your records. In the event you need to cancel your reservation, you will need your confirmation number. You would go to the Testing Center website and click Cancel an Appointment. You would type your confirmation number, type your last name the way you indicated on your reservation when you made an appointment. Now click Cancel Reservation. You will receive a confirmation that your reservation has been canceled. If you need to reschedule to a different day, please click Make an Appointment and follow the steps to make an appointment again.